Oh. Why did you do this?
How do you know it's me?
Oh, who else is it gonna be?
Hey guys, it's Wengie and testing hugs. So today we're going to be testing some Troom Troom pranks. They do a ton of pranks and I'm sure some of them are good and some of them are maybe not so good. So I want to try them out on my boyfriend Max and see if he thinks they're good or not. Let's go. First prank.
Dolly is playing in the sand. It's so cute and innocent.
Okay, that's like a random thing to say, but okay.
Until she starts eating the sand right from a bucket.
Wait. Did she actually eat it? Wait, I'm gonna play it one more time.
Right from a bucket. Grind short crust cookies in a blender.
Oh, right. I see.
Put the crumbs into a toy bucket.
You know what? That actually looks legitimate. It tricked me. It's gonna trick Max. How am I gonna explain that I just like randomly have sand in the house? Anyways, we'll figure that out.
Add a gummy seashell and a gummy starfish.
Ooh. So guys, where do I find this gummy seashell and gummy starfish? I have not seen them in the store.
I need to rescue my friend immediately. She must have gotten sunstroke.
I eat a lot of school supplies, so I can't laugh, so yep.
You can't eat sand, but when I smell it, I understand this sand is made of cookies, and the starfish is a gummy. Mmm, tasty.
Alright guys, so I have myself a blender. I found some cookies. We got these milk coffee cookies. They're kind of sand colored, I think is the closest thing I could find. Also, we have a sand bucket placer. I really don't know how I'm gonna explain this to Max that like I just suddenly have this, but okay. Oh, it's got a sifter. We also... Why do I have Happy Cola bottles? At least give me like worms. I don't know. What am I doing with Coke bottles? You know what? I'm just gonna eat one. Best idea. Thank you for that. Alright guys, let's start this prank off. It's actually pretty easy. You know what? You can even hand mash it, but I think it just won't be as convincing because you'll have like bigger pieces. I love these. Okay guys, eating on the job. How much of this do I put in? You know what, I'm just gonna put in the whole packet. I'm gonna smoothie this. Ooh, you know what? It's done. This looks so convincing. Look at this. That legit looks like sand. This smells really good. All right, is this bucket even clean? Gross. Ooh, it's so powdery. It actually feels like sugar. This tastes good. All right, we're gonna pour it into our sand bucket. Hey guys, this is legit. Look, think Max will believe me if I'm eating this? Troom Troom wants me to add some gummy things into it. I mean, how do you even explain that? I'm gonna just take them out. Without them, I could probably prank Max, but with them in, he's just gonna look at it and be like, what is that? Hey.
Hey, what's up?
I just went to the beach, did some vlogging there. It was fun.
Okay, cool.
I brought back some sand.
Why?
I thought maybe we could use it for a DIY or something. Okay, now I'm gonna eat it.
What is this? No, it's not sand. Stop! Stop in my face. Some kind of biscuit.
Why is it in a bucket then?
You bought a bucket and you put it in.
I'm gonna clean up your desk and leave now.
You made the mess. Oh, what's happening?
Alright guys, let's watch the next prank.
Well, I don't actually cool down the way I want, but Dolly gets a surprise gift too. There is a light bulb cone in her package.
What? I'm really confused right now. Why are they suddenly pulling out a light bulb cone? Like, that's normal.
Hot glue a spiral light bulb into a wafer cone. Put the fake ice cream into a printed out ice cream package.
Guys, I finally realized it's supposed to look like a soft serve, but no, it looks nothing like a soft serve.
Cut out a zigzag edge. The girls prank each other.
Is an ice cream package really like this big? Let's just keep watching. Is she actually gonna eat this? Because I feel like it's kind of dangerous because it's glass.
A portion of ice cream flavored with a double prank.
Shouldn't actually eat it. I'm confused. Why is this a prank? Alright guys, so we're on to the DIY of this prank. I have a cone. These are salted caramel waffle cones. And I have this weird spiral Philips light bulb that I got. This is how high it is. I couldn't find one that was like this long. This is what we're working with. Ooh, smells so good. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm hoping this will hold. The final touch. What do you guys think? You think this prank will be successful? So the rest of the prank involved us making this a giant cornetto like packaging that was literally this big. I feel like that's gonna work against the prank. So I'm gonna kind of casually stroll in holding this and see if it works. Let's go. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just on YouTube.
I'm vlogging for my scrunchy outfits video.
Hello!
Anyways, I'm sorry about earlier.
It's fine, you just weirdly decided to prank me today.
I got you a makeup gift. I know you like ice cream.
Okay.
I got you some ice cream.
Okay. What is
It's
this?
a salted caramel cone.
You put a light bulb in an ice cream cone.
No, it's a soft serve.
Hey, wait, I've seen this. Is this Troom Troom? Is this a Troom Troom DIY?
I spent so long making this.
I don't feel like you didn't spend any time doing this. Nice prank. Your other ones are better.
We are enjoying a little picnic. I notice an apple my friend is going to eat. Excellent. I distract her. Look, that's Brad Pitt coming.
Really? Can I distract my friend with like, hey, there's Brad Pitt coming? If there was a cat, I'd look. That's how you distract me.
Meanwhile, I change her regular apple for my apple with worms. Cut out a hole in an apple.
I mean, the worms look pretty gummy to me, but okay.
Make it deeper with a straw. Make a few holes. Cut out a gummy worm and paint it with dark food coloring.
We're trying to make it a little bit more real with the dark food coloring. I see.
Use edible glue to attach the worm into the apple.
I admit it looks pretty gross.
I sneak the apple back to my friend. Oops, it's been a mistake. That's not Brad Pitt. Emma takes the apple without looking at it. What are these monsters doing in my apple?
Alright guys, that's an interesting prank. I mean, I would never have thought about this. I don't think I would fall for it, but you know what? Let's give it a go and see if Max falls for it. Let's make it. Alright, so I have all the supplies. We have the gummy worms. These are sour too, so if you actually do eat it, it's gonna be like, you know that effect when your whole mouth just disappears in itself. I got brown food coloring with food glue. I was gonna get a knife, but I got really lazy, so I have this box cutter knife instead. We're gonna make it work. Paintbrush, paint palette, and I prepared this apple earlier. Much earlier, a bit too early. It's gonna add to the effect. But actually, I just left it out too long. We're gonna cut a hole. It's not very easy to do. I got a straw because I want to make my holes a bit more rounder than originally I made with the box cutter. So we're gonna go with this metal straw. Alright, so I've got the 2 holes made. Now the next thing we're gonna do is cut up the worm. Just gonna cut the red part off. Now we're gonna paint it. Brown food coloring is not attractive. I'm gonna get some glue. Put the glue on the end. Oh, gross. I want to look like the worms like poked its way through the apple. So I'm gonna cut it a bit shorter. Make it look real so Max doesn't know.
A few minutes later.
Now I'm not even gonna put the food glue in. I'm just gonna squish it in. Ugh. Is this convincing, guys? Is this real? Do you think... I dropped the part of the worm. Alright guys, this disgusting rotten apple prank is set. Let's see if he falls for it. Hey, you want an apple?
You made this for me?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't make it. It just came like this.
I don't even want to touch it.
It's yummy.
Is this meant to be a worm? What did you do?
The worm likes it, so it's a yummy apple.
I can see the effort put into this prank. You even like bruised the apple?
Oh no, I just left it for a long time.
How long did you leave this apple for?
Like a week.
Oh, yuck!
Don't lick your finger. I don't know who touched that.
This looks convincing, actually.
Yeah? You're gonna take a bite?
No, you told me it's been sitting there for a
Yeah,
week.
but like spend so much time. Like you should at least try it.
Well, I'm not going to eat this, but thank you very much for the offer.
Well, fine. I'll take it back. Maybe the cats will appreciate this.
Don't feed it to the cats.
Mia? You want an apple? Nope. She does not want the apple. Alright, let's have a look at the next prank.
After brushing, your teeth turn black? They do in this prank. Squeeze black gel coloring into the center of the toothbrush near the base of the bristles.
Ooh.
In the morning, your friend goes to the bathroom half asleep.
Alright, you know what? This is a good prank. I mean, I wouldn't even notice that if that was my toothbrush.
She doesn't expect any tricks right now. She brushes her teeth and suddenly sees herself in the mirror. She's shocked. Black teeth? That's too much. She'll have to rinse them for a long time.
Yeah, that wouldn't be fun. I would not like to wake up in the morning and then have black teeth. Alright guys, so I stole Max's toothbrush from his bathroom and I have some black food dye. So I'm gonna bend out the bristles and then like try and get the food dye right in the bottom. Okay, would you even notice this? Like, I wouldn't. I am not a morning person. I'd be half asleep and I wouldn't even be checking.
I'll pay her back. Let her turn the tap on.
Okay.
Cover it with a coin. Tape it to attach. Here she comes.
Oh, that's actually really simple. I can actually see this working.
She turns on the tap. A fountain! The water has splashed all over her dress. Aha! That's the point. I thought the tap's been broken.
We gotta find ourselves some good tape for this to work. Alright guys, so I've got the coin. This is literally all I need. So let's go and tape up his bathroom tap. Alright guys, I am in Max's bathroom and we're gonna stick the coin on. So I stuck the coin to his tap right here with some sticky tape. Can you guys tell? I always wake up earlier than him, so perfect for pulling pranks. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Alright guys, we're gonna set up this prank. It's the toothbrush prank. We've got the food dye in there. I'm gonna pop it back in his toothbrush holder. He hasn't even noticed it's missing. Let's put it inside. Toothbruch holder right here. Prank set. Alright guys, let's wake him up. Wake up! Time to wake up! Hehe. Curtains. I'm gonna be on there. Alright guys, I'm gonna set the camera up in his bathroom so we can see his reaction. He doesn't notice anything in the mornings. Alright. We're gonna go out for breakfast, so you want to get ready?
What was that?
God, me too! I was standing outside your door and now I'm wet.
Why'd you do this? Why did you do this?
Oh, how do you know it's me?
Who else is it gonna be? I gotta change.
Wait, you haven't brushed your teeth yet.
Yeah, it's too cold.
You know, I got wet. Oh my gosh, look at that. Daddy's mad. I think he's mad at me. Do you think you can make him feel better? Wanna brush? Boomba, you confused? You're like, what's going on? I honestly didn't think that like the water would go so far. That's why I was kind of standing in the doorway like watching him, just like waiting for something to happen. And then literally it flew at me and then I pranked myself. I'm gonna set you guys back up because he hasn't brushed his teeth yet. So I'm gonna like pretend I'm cleaning up the mess and then like make him brush his teeth. So, okay. All right.
Oh, now you're cleaning up. Now you feel better.
I don't feel bad, I'm just cleaning up.
Why did you try to randomly prank me today?
What?
You never pranked me.
You guys are out and eat. I'm hungry. So, hurry up, brush your teeth.
Where did you put in this?
What?
What did you put in here? Why am I?
What it tastes like?
Why is it dark?
Clean your teeth extra well.
Why?
Okay, bye.
What?
Bye. See ya. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed me trying out these Troom Troom pranks. Let me know which one your favorite prank was down below. Which one would you fall for? Don't forget to check out my toy line, which is now out in Walgreens. It's called Whimsical by Wengie and features all new slime flavors and slime art kits. The slime is the best slime I've ever played with, so don't miss out. I'll be back with more videos soon. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.